Hello friends. Today I will share with you Top 5 Best Fusion Splicer Machines for Fiber Optic Cable Splicing in 2024. So let's check it out.
Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5.
AI Optical Fiber Fusion Splicer Machine. Ideal for both single-mode, SM, and multi-mode, MM, fiber, this versatile fusion splicer features 6 motors, visual fault locator, and optical power meter for efficient fiber optic splicing. The AI-10A, AI-9, AI-6A, AI-6C, and AI-6C Plus models offer reliable performance for quick and precise splicing tasks. The advantages are, supports multiple fiber modes, integrated VFL and OPM tools. The disadvantages are, limited compatibility with some fiber types.
Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4.
Original Signal Fire AI-9 Fusion Splicer Machine. The AI-9 Fusion Splicer from Signal Fire is designed for both single-mode, SM, and multi-mode, MM, fibers. Equipped with a VFL, OPM, and a 6-motor system, it offers 5-second splicing for faster and more reliable results. Free shipping is available for this robust fiber welder machine. The advantages of this fusion splicer are, fast 5-second splicing, integrated VFL and OPM tools. The disadvantages of this fusion splicer are, limited advanced settings for customization.
At number 3.
Original Signal Fire AI-9 Fusion Splicer Machine. The AI-9 Fusion Splicer from Signal Fire is designed for both single-mode, SM, and multi-mode, MM, fibers. Equipped with a VFL, OPM, and a 6-motor system, it offers 5-second splicing for faster and more reliable results. Free shipping is available for this robust fiber welder machine. The advantages of this fusion splicer are, fast 5-second splicing, integrated VFL and OPM tools. The disadvantages of this fusion splicer are, limited advanced settings for customization.
Please consider to subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2.
Signal Fire AI-9 AI-6C Fusion Splicer Machine. This fusion splicer combines the capabilities of the AI-9 and AI-6C models, featuring a 6-motor system for quick and accurate splicing. It comes with VFL and optical power meter toolkits and meets CE standards, providing reliable performance with free shipping. The advantages of this fusion splicer are, CE certified safety and performance. Comprehensive tool kit included. The disadvantages of this fusion splicer are, limited to specific splicing tasks.
At number 1.
Original AI-10A AI-9 AI-6A-6C Plus Signal Fire Fiber Optic Splicing Machine. This multi-language fusion splicer from Signal Fire supports both SM and MM fibers, featuring a 6-motor system for high-speed splicing. Ideal for FTTH, fiber to the home, installations, it is equipped with an optical power meter and VFL for comprehensive fiber maintenance. The advantages of this fusion splicer are, multi-language support for global use, high-speed splicing with 6 motors. The disadvantages of this fusion splicer are, higher price point.